Hello everyone, I want to introduce you to the Eternal fully automatic end face inspection device. After the optical fiber connector is polished, it does not need to be disassembled, can be placed in the benchtop Eternal's new style concentrated microscope device. With just one click to start, you can perform fully automatic detection and determination of the end face of the optical fiber. The whole process is unattended and can be completed automatically. Each end face only takes 1 second at the fastest, and the detection accuracy and judgment consistency can reach more than 98%. It is also possible to collect finished patch cords, finished optical modules, module components, or high-density fiber splice boxes in the customized adapter. All can be done automatically. The device can help greatly save up to 7 manual workstations, effectively ensuring high-quality consistency and improving shipping efficiency. Eternal centralized automatic inspection is the most effective way for manufacturers to save cost and time greatly. Contact us today for more information.